Good morning everyone. Today I am here to present a speech on the value of time. We all know that time is very important in our life. Time is the most valuable thing in the universe. Time never waits for anyone. No one can stop or slow down the time. It keeps going, whether someone likes or not. Time is not reversible. It means we have to use it sensibly. Every second or minute is moving forward and will not come back. All things are born on time, grow on time, and die on time. It has no beginning and no end. Time is so important that if you did not have any, you could not do anything at all. There are many things that we can do with our time. We can spend it on leisure activities such as sleeping, watching TV, reading, going for a walk, or do work or study. No matter what we choose to do, it is important that we manage our time. Losing or wasting time can make a huge difference in our life and future. We should not waste our time. We should use our time for good things. We should value and respect the importance of time every single moment. Time is priceless to everyone. It is free to all and no one can buy or sell it. Time may destroy our health if we do not take out food in a timely manner. If we do not do our daily routine at the right time, we will progress slower than others. If we want to do something better in life, it needs proper use of time. It is a true saying that time and tide wait for none. Therefore, we must be careful and conscious about how we make use of our time. So, my dear friends, don't waste your time, mind it. Thank you.